Okay, moving on to our tweens and our teens. Once we get into the tweens and teen years, uh, we got to do a little bit more to keep these kids interested and excited. So GobiDex makes these solar robots. So I want you to take a look there at all those different robots. So this is a kit that I think is one of those, if you're like, I don't know if my kid is into robots, I just don't know. The price point on this, you're just not going to believe it. It's less than $30. And what you get is a kit that can make all 6 of these robots. Now, not all at the same time. Like in the bottom there, you see the astronaut and the dog. You can make those at the same time, or you can make the space station in the middle, or any of the other things. And they move, and your child can program them, and there's no batteries required because it's solar operated. So it's not an expensive kit, but it is a great first kit for your kiddos to say, okay, let's see, are they interested in programming? Are they interested in robots? Are they interested in this kind of thing? And this is for boys and girls. For those of you who have girls and you're thinking, I don't know, this is an area of tech that is soaring for women, and in particular, women on the spectrum. So for those of you who have girls, don't leave your girls out on this toy. It's great. They'll learn how to put these, and it teaches flexibility because you can take it from a space station to a dog. That's teaching some flexibility of how these pieces can do different things and they can design for themselves. But then each one of these can be programmed so that they can move. The astronaut and the dog can walk. The space station can spin. It does all kinds of things, all solar operated, great price point. If you want, there are more expensive robots that you can go and get that have a price point that's $80 up to $1,000. But if you're not sure if your kiddo likes it, this is the price point. You're going to get a big bang for your buck with this toy. It's the GobiDex Solar Robots Kit. Love, love, love this set. That's why it won the winner. Thanks for watching Autism Live. If you found anything helpful in this video, please give us a like. In fact, make sure that you smash that subscribe button on YouTube and give us a like on Facebook. You can also follow us on Twitter and Instagram for important updates. And please download our free podcast wherever you get your podcasts. See you next time. Until then, give your kiddos a hug from me and one for you too. Bye-bye for now.
To subscribe, click here. And if you'd like to check out some more of our videos, click here.